On top of that, 12 Bitcoin ETFs have brief window for SEC approval starting tomorrow. Analysts theorize that the regulatory agency could authorize spot trading between November 8th and November 17th. How's it going, everyone? Today is November 9th, and we are seeing some insane volatility in this market. If you check over here, literally almost every single one of these coins was green. And at this point, we're now seeing drops of 5%, 8%, all the way across the board, pretty much in every single altcoin. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about Ethereum. Stay tuned for the next video as well. You're getting a whole lot of analysis today. We've officially tested $2,020, and we could be breaking out soon, but there's a lot of data points we need to pay attention to. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can call the exact top and bottom for Ethereum so you don't miss out on this week's moves. Let's dive into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Once again, thanks for joining us, and if you enjoy this video, like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you are new with us, we're so excited to trade with you. Welcome to the channel. As a heads up, if you drop down to the description of the video you're watching right now, you can access our indicators for up to 80% off with our Black Friday sale at the first link. You can join our membership. We have 87 wins, 0 losses on our trade calls, daily crypto metrics, and you can join us on our $1 million profit account challenge with members only content at the second link. Thirdly, you can check out our Telegram for free at this link. Before we get started, just a quick announcement. If you head over to the Future Forecast tab on the TradeConfident.io website, we have a brand new future forecast from the founder of Trade Confident himself. Is Bitcoin about to drop to $35,000 and then skyrocket? Look at this data. You guys need to see this data this morning that shows tens of millions are due to be liquidated today at lower levels to then be followed by a move up again in Bitcoin to $47,000. Travis is going to share with you why this is a great time to accumulate and show you two new charts you've never seen before that prove this bull market is just getting started. This is so exciting, and you need to stay updated daily with what's going on. Check this out. Watch it as soon as possible. Future forecasts provide actionable insight into the crypto market every Tuesday and Friday, and occasionally you'll get extra videos like today, Thursday, November 9th, as we embark on our $1 million 400% profit crypto challenge. Do not miss out on this video, and with that, let's head into the analysis. We're going to head over to the home page and drop down to the Ethereum metrics. The first metric we're going to take a look at is the Ethereum Emotional Index, and as you can see, we have just now pushed into greedy territory. Personally, I think we're going to top out a little bit more before we see any further drops, so keep an eye out for that. Typically, when we push into greedy, just as we did right here, we see pretty significant drop. So at this point, we are looking a bit bearish. Next up, I want to take you down to the Ethereum Volatility Breakout Detector. This is why I love this metric. Anytime you get close to the breakout zone, especially if you drop below it, this is where you're seeing significant moves in the market. That's exactly what we saw back here. Just as we were about to drop into the breakout zone, we saw a massive pump. Breakout zone, crazy pump and drop back down. Breakout zone, crazy drop and pump back up. It happens so consistently. It's crucial that you check the volatility breakout detector every single morning for the coins you trade. Next up, I want to take you down to the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric. Now, there's not too much short trade sentiment in this market right now. I think the next candle is actually going to be showing a significantly larger amount of short trade sentiment, so keep an eye out for that. You're going to want to stay updated because this is a massive pump, and after pumps, whales are very, very likely to take profit and begin shorting out of the market. If in the next couple of days you see a drop below the negative 800 mark, that's when you're going to be looking for those major moves to the downside. So stay updated with the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric. And with that, let's check out what whales are doing right this second using the Ethereum Whale Money Flow Relative to Price chart. As you can see, over the past couple of days, whales have actually been moving money out of the market. What you're seeing here is called bearish divergence. Price has been skyrocketing while whale money flow has actually been tanking in this market. Trends cannot be supported without whale money, especially uptrends. So I think this is going to be fairly short-lived. I think we need to see whale money begin moving money back into the market before we can really see an uptrend like this sustained. Because of this, we are expecting some bearish sentiment again for Ethereum. Next up, let's talk about the Ethereum major support and resistance levels. We still have structure resistance at $2,029 for our recent top. And from there, we have structure support right at this level around $1,920. I'll show you the exact values as we move into the live charts. Stay tuned for that. And last but not least, we're looking at the Ethereum trade signals chart. We recently received a sell signal, which did get invalidated. At this point, we've seen a short squeeze at this level. And as we move into the bull market, it's important to keep in mind that sell signals like this will have to get invalidated. Bearish signals must be invalidated in order for the bull market to start. It is so important to keep that in mind. So after receiving a short squeeze, the price of Ethereum and honestly the rest of the crypto market too is moving up like crazy. We're going to be looking at other time frames to look at sell signals. I think the weekly is going to be the key for that. I'll show you that on the live charts, but if you want to stay updated day to day on Ethereum, these are the data points that you need to be checking. They're updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and members, along with Ethereum, get metrics across. Let's head over to the homepage real quick. All 20 coins on our website. Do not miss a beat on any of the coins you trade. Do not miss this members only future forecast video. This is going to be crucial. And the video before this actually called the move up today. Do not miss out on future trade setups. Currently, we are 87 wins, 0 losses with 4 active trades you can join right now. And don't forget the Black Friday sale with members-only coupons, $250 off the Pro Indicator Pack and $350 off the TC Top and Bottom Finder. The largest discount we've ever posted. And if you want all these money-making benefits, you need to snag the membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is going to be the second link. Click that. Scroll down here. The full access membership is what you're looking for. $59 a month, but keep in mind this is a limited time special. Price increases are coming soon, so lock in your membership price now. Future forecast, trade setup, Zoom coaching every single month, metrics across all 20 coins, members only indicator coupon codes, and many more benefits. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Here we are looking at Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC Top and Bottom Finder, price versus money flow, and trades and favor indicators. First up, I want to go over previous analysis. Recently, you've been hearing me talk about how I think the price of Ethereum is actually going to drop down to this level at $1,826 before making any further moves up to $2,020. This is not quite what happened. We did get, let me zoom in here. We did get the breakout and retest a previous structure resistance. This is very normal. We did talk about this in previous videos, but the pump actually came significantly earlier than expected. And I'm not going to go too much into this article, but the main reason for this is the US SEC said to open talks with Grayscale on the spot Bitcoin ETF push. Representatives of the company are answering questions from 2 divisions of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in the wake of Grayscale's court win over the agency. On top of that, 12 Bitcoin ETFs have brief window for SEC approval starting tomorrow. Analysts theorize that the regulatory agency could authorize spot trading between November 8th and November 17th. So this pump has a lot to do with news about ETFs. We already know from this pump right here that a Bitcoin ETF is going to be absolutely massive for the crypto market. The market pumped insane amounts in just a period of a few days. After a Bitcoin ETF was posted on the DTCC website, it wasn't even an approval. It was just shown on a website, and that's how much the market moved up. So any further news about a Bitcoin ETF is going to pump the market like crazy. With that, the $1,826 level is invalidated. We now have structure support at $1,928. Let's turn this into a green line just to indicate support. And we have our structure resistance at $2,020. At this point, we do see price versus whale money flow is still high with whale money moving out of the market. Trades in favor is still high with a 76% chance of a drop. And as we test structure resistance, most often this does result in moves down. But this is technical analysis, and this is actually a fundamentals-based pump. Fundamentals tend to kind of ignore some of this data because retailers are going to FOMO into the market like crazy. You can see from the price versus whale money flow, this is not whale money pumping the market. This is entirely retail traders that are reacting to news. So at this point, I would hesitate to FOMO into the market. Of course, this is not financial advice. Trade as you will. But I would consider it a dangerous point to invest into Ethereum right now because those that invest at the top typically are the ones that get wrecked, as whales do end up taking profit and moving the price back down. Do not become liquidity for the whales to scoop up. With that, if we head over to the 1 week time frame, you're going to see a little bit of a different story. Price versus whale money flow is actually still high, but we do see whale money increasing. This is partially what caused the pump here as well. The retailers are the main ones that have pumped the market. Keep in mind that this is showing the weekly time frame, so over the past week, whales have been investing. Price versus whale money flow is high, trades in favor is high with a 91% chance of a pump. Once again, this tends to be bearish, but we do have to keep in mind, once again, this is fundamentals driving the market. This is not technicals. So if retailers continue pumping the price, or if whale money comes and continues pumping the price, we do have to pay attention to structure resistance right about this level at $2,100. $2,142. Now, honestly, I think the price of Ethereum is going to keep increasing until we get a sell signal, just as we saw right here. Sell signal moved down, sell signal got a little bit of a drop before the crazy move down. Sell signal moved down, sell signal got a little bit of a pump before it absolutely crazy moved back to the downside. So on the weekly time frame, especially when you see price versus one money flow high trades in favor high, this is when you're going to be looking for drops in the market. Now, it can be really difficult to pay attention to the data, especially when you're on the weekly time frame. These candles move really slowly. So what you're going to want to do is move over to the alerts tab, click create alert. Make sure you're on the 1 week time frame here looking at Ethereum USD. You're going to switch this to the TC top and bottom finder. Then you're going to set a sell signal once per bar close and name it. I'm just going to call it an easy Ethereum 1 week sell. Click create. Set another one, Ethereum. Change that to TC top and bottom finder. Make this a strong sell signal once per bar close. Name it. I'm going to call it Ethereum 1 week strong sell. Click create. And now, as soon as a sell signal posts on Ethereum as the price moves up, you're going to be alerted on the 1 week time frame that a sell signal has posted. It doesn't matter if you're at your computer or not, as long as you have TradingView installed on your mobile device, it'll let you know. And from there, if you're at Ethereum, that could be a good area to take profit, especially if we move all the way up to $2,142. Now, you can actually set these on multiple time frames. I actually got a sell signal earlier on the 4-hour time frame for Ethereum, thanks to that alert. That'll be the easiest way to stay updated, and as soon as you get those signals, just make sure price versus one money flow high and trades in favor are high. And if you see that confluence between all three of them, you can be almost certain of the drop incoming. With that, you are going to want to snag these indicators for the alerts in order to track the movement of whale money and to see trade momentum run through its course. You need to snag these indicators, and there has never been a better time to do it than now. For our Black Friday sale, you can get up to 80% off our indicators. This is the biggest sale we have ever run. Do not miss out. All you got to do is, once again, check the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the first link. Click that. Black Friday indicators sale. Right down here, our members get a massive $250 off our Pro Indicator pack. It's actually significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than without one. Once you have your membership, click access coupon code, write that down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in the membership discount code, then fill in your information. Click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you our state-of-the-art indicators for a full $650 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the future forecast video.